Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change your Facebook account password on the Facebook app for iOS and Android devices. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the Facebook app and select your profile icon in the top right corner, and then go down and select Settings and Privacy. Select the Settings button at the top, and then under Accounts Center, select See More in Accounts Center. And now you want to select underneath Account Settings, Password and Security. Select the Change Password button, in which case then you would be prompted to go ahead and sign into your account or verify your account access, and then you would be able to change your password. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.